Andrew and Kieran live in this 2,400 square foot townhouse with 6-year-old Piper and 2-year-old Lincoln. After living in the home for just under 2 years, Andrew is ready to move.
I know Ange thinks that the house isn't working for us, but I think it does. I love this neighborhood, and it's a great place to raise a family.
The biggest problem with the house is the stairs. I go up and down the stairs 1,000 times a day. With little kids, I'm either chasing them up and down the stairs. The other problem is that the kids are upstairs or downstairs. I can't find them, and it just makes me nervous, especially with little ones, if I don't know where they are. Our bedroom's on the 3rd floor. It's another flight of stairs. The kids hate sleeping on a floor that's away from us, so they often sneak up and take over at night. The closets are small. They're also separated. It's just a strange layout and design to me. This is our ensuite bathroom. Everyone wants their ensuite to be spa-like. This is not spa-like. I am very ready to move again. There's definitely gonna be a for sale sign on this lawn.
We can't keep moving. We just moved in here. We really got to give it a shot.
The house isn't working for us.
I'm 100% definitely staying in this house.
I've done an evaluation on your home, and current value is $1.1 million.
That's not bad.
So, what is the must-have list to get you out of this house and into a new one?
A modern kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, in-law suite with a full bathroom, a large backyard, a playroom for the kids with toy storage. The last must-have would be to stay in the neighborhood that we're currently in.
So what is the budget for the new house?
$1.4 million.
So I know that you're absolutely convinced this doesn't work for a lot of very valid reasons. None of that scares me. Tell me what your must-have lists are.
Updated kitchen, updated bathrooms. We need a bathroom downstairs for the in-law suite with a shower. We need storage in that 2nd floor great room. We need the principal bedroom updated with storage and just update the stairs and the floors throughout the home.
It is a really high ticket list, so here's the big question. What's my budget?
$110,000.
$110,000 is a lot of money, I get it. We may have to prioritize that list, but I do think that regardless, this home will function so differently when I'm done. You're gonna love it, I do.
While Hilary is prioritizing, I'm gonna do my best to keep you in this neighborhood. And when I do, the only thing you're gonna say about this one is listed.
Here's my plan for the kitchen. This wall, built-ins, uppers and lowers. I can do a nice island here. I can put a beautiful dining room table here. This is the principal bedroom. This doesn't work, the closet system. So this will have to become one closet.
Okay.
All right? So now it's the bathroom. We have to strip that out completely and redo it. So what I'd like to do is get rid of the tub and the shower completely and do a fantastic 2-person shower all the way across that wall. Beyond that, everything stays where it is. Give me those numbers and I will get the bottom line, I hope, to be able to tell you, okay, here's what we're actually doing.
Okay.
Perfect. All right. Let's talk about the other big ticket item, which is that bathroom in the basement. $14,000 over your budget for that bathroom down there.
Yes, it's a huge expense.
All right, basement bathroom, gone. Let's talk about the 2nd floor bathroom. That's another $4,000. There's nothing wrong with that bathroom except you don't like the way it looks.
Can't justify spending $4,000 for the kids' bathroom. I mean, I just feel like we're not getting a lot for our budget.
So let's talk about what you're getting for $110,000.
Okay.
You're getting all new hardwood throughout. You're getting updated lighting on this floor all the way around. You're getting built-ins on the 2nd floor, a brand new ensuite. The kitchen alone, I mean, there's acres of kitchen here. Kitchens are so expensive. I mean, that's your biggest ticket item right there.
We can live with that, right?
Yeah, you're gonna have to, I think, yeah, at this point. Okay, and hopefully no more surprises.
Hopefully.
This is not exactly in their neighborhood. The house itself, 3 great bedrooms, a beautiful bathroom, lots of storage. It's got a nice walkout to a beautiful backyard. It has a completely finished basement with a bedroom and a bathroom. I think it's got potential. All right, come on in.
Oh, wow. I do love the space in here in the entryway. Let's see what else is on.
So, beautiful front window, lots of natural light coming in.
Yeah, no, I love it.
It's a little boxed off. Seems to be sort of the opposite of what we were looking for.
Let's have a closer look at the kitchen and then see how it views from there.
Oh boy.
Listen, I know the purple. I would repaint all the cupboards in here.
I don't see this as a big kind of upgrade to what we have now.
The next spot is to go and have a look at the backyard.
Oh my gosh. Wow. This is gorgeous.
It doesn't really look that kid-friendly.
Would you say that your backyard is kid-friendly?
This is a good point.
All right, the basement.
Oh.
There's a lot of options here that you don't currently have. Lean a little bit over this way. You can see that there's a bedroom right there,
Amazing.
right?
Wow, a bathroom. That's something we don't have in our basement.
This is a nice bathroom.
Yeah,
it's
that-
close to the bedroom.
All right, to the second floor. The second floor. Bedroom number 1.
Okay. Small,
Bedroom number 2.
good size.
It's pretty much the same as the room she has now. Yeah.
It's lovely.
It's a nice looking bedroom.
What about the closet space in here? Oh, this is nice. A little mini walk-in closet. We
Yes.
don't have that.
What about the ensuite bathroom? We have an ensuite bathroom right now. I don't see one here.
They don't have one here. There is an incredible bathroom to share.
Oh.
But,
you had me and now you've lost me.
The main bath.
Oh, wow. I mean, it is big. It's a 5-piece. That's nice. I love it.
We're going from 3 bathrooms to 2 bathrooms in this house. So a bit of a downgrade.
There's a lot of pluses, but there's some things that, you know, we wanted that unfortunately this house just can't offer us.
What do you think this house is listed at, Karen?
$1.6 million.
What do you think?
I would probably guess the same, $1.6 million.
This house is listed at $1.4 million.
Oh, wow.
Right on budget.
It's a bit of a stretch in terms of the neighborhood.
I wish Kieran had been a little more flexible in terms of location, but he's not.
All right, so we talked about this being the shower, great big glass shower, and gorgeous, yes.
We love the idea of a huge shower in here, but the tub that we had was really useful for our family. We made a lot of use of it up here, and we'd like to keep a tub if possible.
Full-size soaker, really get in, water up to here, proper tub.
Yeah, we want it to be spa-like up here, and I think
Spa-like.
the tub adds to that.
Do I agree with the soaker tub in here? I do not.
You guys are the experts, so I totally defer to you. You know what we want.
Angie wants it. I will make sure she gets it.
All right, so we are 9 minutes from their house. This home has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, complete open concept, walk out to a beautiful backyard, finished basement with a bedroom down there and a bathroom. Doesn't get any better than that.
Wow, this is a grand entrance, that's for
Isn't
sure.
it, though?
I like it. I like it so far.
Yeah.
So you have your living room, dining room combination.
I love it. The open concept main floor is great, especially with little kids.
Let's get a closer look at the kitchen.
All right.
You've got a massive island.
This is such a nice kitchen, and I love the layout. I love having a kitchen in the middle. It makes so much sense. I think it's fantastic. I love it.
Let's have a closer look at this. It makes for a great family room, right?
I love everything about this place so far.
So the backyard could use a little bit of landscaping,
This is a nice day.
but it has like a nice shed.
Is that a pool?
There's a shed. Oh yeah, there's a pool. I forgot about that.
Oh my.
Let's go inside. See the basement? I want you to compare this to the rec space in your current basement.
You're echoing. It's huge, huge, huge.
This is nice. I can see the kids playing down here.
Let's go see the upstairs.
Let's do it.
Look at the windows in here.
This is huge. I love it.
I know. And this is your closet.
Yeah, this'll do. This is enough space, I think, for all my
Let's
stuff.
see the bathroom.
Wow.
Ooh.
This is like a full big tub. I love it.
This is a nice bathroom.
Well, I love this house.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$1.55 million.
What do you think?
$1.5 million.
This house is listed at $1,550,000, which is above your budget. But I think if you look at what this house has, you need a 4th bedroom. Do you need a pool? Maybe not, but do you want one? Yes, well, you gotta pay for that. Are we good? Is this the one?
Yeah, I mean, we have to see what Hilary has, but it's gonna be hard to compete with this.
Hey, come on up.
We're so excited.
Well, look at you both, smiling like crazy.
We're so excited.
Let's just go in.
Let's do it. What? Holy smokes.
Oh my God.
Holy smokes.
There's new flooring everywhere. They're
Yeah.
light, they're bright.
Yes. I can't believe this is our house.
Now, let's talk about the staircase.
Yeah, what a change.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks obviously more modern, but it even kind of takes away the size and the chunk of it, kind of. the chunkiness.
Exactly. It now becomes a really nice design embellishment
Right.
of this whole floor.
I love it.
Let's move on into the kitchen.
Gosh,
Whoa.
look at Big Cat.
It feels so much bigger.
I can't believe this is the same house.
Massive transformation. I
Yeah.
mean, let's just remember how this was. The wall coming across, it didn't work. It was the most insanely big space that was never utilized, and now it is. So let's just talk about this. You've got this big fridge, storage on each side. Your island was designed really as a prep space.
I love it.
So you always had one coat closet, and now you still do.
Nice.
Wow. Amazing. That's
Great.
so handy. And the shelves and everything, the kids can
Yeah.
access this. That'd be.
Organized.
Yeah,
It's
you're
great. The kids can help
organized.
themselves.
And this is fabulous as a family space, I think.
Oh, I love it. I love the little bistro.
Yeah, the bistro
table.
setup.
I can
Oh,
see
exactly.
the kids playing
Yeah.
restaurant already.
Yeah. Oh,
I
yeah.
love that.
Yeah.
The vibe. That's just amazing. I love it. I love everything.
And then we come up here where we've kept the carpet, and I hope it works for you.
It's so much better.
Oh, I love it.
As you notice, there's loads of storage, kid stuff. This is really designated for kid stuff. The fireplace now, by taking it all the way up there and having a wall, it now becomes a focal point that you actually want to look at.
I love it. I love the whole setup.
So we continue with the original cleaned carpeting here.
Yeah, I love it. It's not. I think it works great for the space now. Oh my goodness! Oh my God, the little bassinet. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love the color in the closet.
Wow.
Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Wow. We'll keep organized with this for sure. This is enough space for me. Well, not this whole wall, I meant.
I get one cupboard, right?
Yeah, we'll stop.
Maybe.
All right, next, we're moving into the bathroom.
Okay.
Look. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is
How did you
amazing.
fit all this in here? Oh my.
Look at this.
I know. I know. I know.
We weren't sure about the tub or the shower. Look, we got a huge, there's a much bigger shower.
Oh. It is definitely spa-like. And
Yeah.
it looks like it's twice the size.
It really does, it really does.
It's beautiful.
And it is now the new value of your house with the renovation that has been done.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $1 million. With a renovation budget of $110,000, the new value of their home is $1,275,000 for an increase of $275,000.
Every change that happened to this house is a home run.
Look, it's over budget. but
How much?
It's also a
How much?
detached house.
How much over?
150. Decision made,
Yep, it is.
And are you going to love it?
or are you going to list it?
We're going to love it.
4 bedrooms. The pool.
Hilary brought out all the potential that we saw originally in this house when we first fell in love with it, and I can see us raising our kids here. I can see them running around, and this is home.
All right, it was a pleasure working with you.
Thank you, David. You've been amazing.
Pleasure.
Thank you.